Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and today we're going to break down the all-new RST D3O Arctic waterproof winter gloves. Okay, these retail for only $119.99. As of the time we're shooting this, please understand we never update for pricing changes, only when the product has been 100% redesigned. Super unique glove here. This is a hybrid chassis. We've got a combination of leather and textile. They feel really good. And Primaloft Gold insulation. This is a warm winter glove, right? You're going to have windproof, waterproof performance. Blocks the wind, blocks the water. And the Primaloft Gold is going to seal in the heat to keep you warm and comfortable. Some really cool styling cues. Probably already see that. Touchscreen fingers. Knuckle protector built in. Good looking screen printing. Multiple layers in the palm of leather here. That's your impact zone right there. A little D3O patch there. Gauntlet adjuster, safety strap. Sizing. I wear a 2X in pretty much every glove out there. This is what I have on. And I got to tell you, right out of the bag, these things feel amazing. Sometimes with a lot of the winter gloves, the cold weather gloves, you get them on and they feel like baseball mitts. You feel like you're really trading away all the dexterity, right, to maintain some warmth in your hands. I could tell you right now, sitting here in the video room, my hands are definitely hot and the feel is great. These are going to require very, very little break-in. Who are these right for? Any rider that is looking to extend their season, right? You know, I know here in the Mighty Mitten, the early season stuff and the late season stuff, if you're trying to stretch it out, you're going to get into some cold spots, no question. When your hands are cold, the ride is miserable. This glove is going to be a great one to really bridge that gap. And at $119, you're not breaking the bank with these. You can easily afford to have other purpose-built gloves. They're going to make more sense during the hot weather rides that we all want to take, but still have something on the shelf that's going to get you through those cooler rides so you can still enjoy your time on the bike. I think for most, sizing is going to be true to size. For me, the 2X, exactly where I would want it. Fits and feels great. A lot of dexterity in the wrist. Little padding there at the end of the ulna. The D3O piece there. The knuckle protection. Good looking glove. Great winter glove. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gloves for your next ride.